car gonna go? You know we got a drone, so we're gonna put it to the test. We're gonna fly over the South Road Bridge. So he has to drive my car because...
Oh yeah.
Because...
I'm gonna crash his car.
Nah, like, come on man, I asked to bring your license. I'm like, where's your license? He doesn't have a license. You do have a license, but I don't know where it is. But, in saying that, I'm telling him, because we're gonna go on South Road, you can do 90 there on the bridge. So 90k per hour. So this guy, I've asked him to do 40 only. If he goes more than 40, he's gonna stop, put the hazard light on until I can get in the car, and I'll do 110. I'm wrapping it like a baby. Because it is my baby, you know what I'm saying?
My baby, I love you.
This guy's gonna report me.
Oh yeah, there's 2 Afghans. I think they're Muslims.
Hey, a brake man! Come on, man! You're going too far in. That's illegal.
I don't know how to drive.
Oh, easy. Oh my God, this guy.
What man? I got license, stupid.
Yeah, I know you got a license, but there's a reason for a sports car. You gotta take it easy. You used to like Toyota Camry and shit.
Nissan,
Never. Yeah, that video is like right there. You should go check it out. Like right there.
Yeah, you should check it out. We had a good day.
We had a blast that day. Take that blue one out.
That big one?
Yeah.
Oh God.
Oh.
You guys are professional.
You guys are professionals. Look at the color, it's so... You like crabs? Beautiful crab. This one.
Casual one?
Yeah, this one's the most beautiful one. $500.